So today I'm using my Natasha Denona Lila palette to create a simple eye using my new Sonia G Pro eye brushes. Here I'm using my Worker Pro to build up the color in the outer V. Because these eyeshadows are super pigmented, I am slowly building up the eye to the intensity that I desire. So now I'm going in with my Blender Pro to blend out any harsh lines. So now I'm going back in with my Worker Pro to build up any color loss while I was blending. So now I'm going in with my Crease Pro to add a little more definition to my crease as well as my outer V. Now I'm using my Blender Pro to blend everything together. So now I'm going to use my Worker Pro to add some shimmer to my lid. So this is the finished eye. Stay tuned for the complete look. So this is the finished look. I use all of the new Sonia G Pro brushes, eye brushes. And I don't know if this is possible. I don't know if this is love or infatuation. But I think I might be in love. Again, oh my goodness, these brushes are so good. Like my eye looks so good. I know my first impressions that I said, like this brush, like I could have did without, but I actually used this brush to smudge out my lower lash line, and it looks so good. It smudged out so perfectly, and that's something that I cannot accomplish with this brush at all. This is just way too wide, and the kind of smudge that I'm looking for, I cannot accomplish with this brush. I would need a pointed brush in order to do that. But this one, it was easily accomplished. I just smoked it out. One thing I did want to say about these brushes to Sonia, thank you for creating tools that make the makeup experience, creating so much more enjoyable. Yes, I can get this look using other brushes in my collection that, I mean, look very similar. It may take me a little longer, but for a brush to feel good, work well, be versatile, and also work with so many different kinds of products is like something that I've never personally experienced. So I just want to thank you for creating these utensils so well. This like makes me want to like get back into doing people's makeup, not just my own makeup. I know like this is like these kind of brushes encourage people to keep on moving forward and actually continue to create, especially when it's almost like, you know, going to school. I used to, like, when I was in school, you know, you had the cheap pencils that broke all the time, and then they didn't even feel like, they were very grainy and they didn't write well. And then you had the soft pencils that made you want to write neat. Like, this makes me want to create. It makes creating so much more enjoyable. And so thank you for that. And you keep up the good work. I will continue to buy your products. I will continue to buy these masterpieces, okay? But thank you.